List of multiplication tables, which will print list of multiplication tables for the given list of values, for the given list of positive values, for the list of given positive values. Very good example this is. Program for displaying list of multiplication tables for the list of positive values. So first what should I create? List. What should I create first? List with what values? For those values you need to display what? Multiplication tables you need to display. Can you do that? Class work, homework, student work, faculty work. Don't tell faculty work. Try. What is that? Try. If you don't do, I will do it in next. Yesterday I told you sum of digits. You did not do. I done in the beginning of the class. Try for it. I told already how to take list of values. Na? Append function. Later what you will get it? Get the first value from the list. Generate the multiplication table. Get the value. Generate the multiplication. Get the value. Generate the multiplication table. What is that? Left hand, left finger. What you will expect from SAR is, number one, you can't sit 1 hour continuously on the system. Number one problem. Number two problem, your body will not bend to do the program. It is habituated in BTech 4 years to be straight only. It won't bend. No exercise on the programming. That's why become lazy. These are all different anti-factors to go away out of the programming. Okay? Can you do it? Okay, if you don't do it, I am there now. Final solution, SAR is there, else block to handle your programming. Okay, so do it. Shall I go to the match case once? Yes. So match case, I will just explain. Let's follow. So, in these examples, we will continuously discussing in the class. Not at all a problem here. Okay. Match case example, match case concept I will tell you. Of course, you almost understood. One more discussion I just want to go for it. That's it. So here, match case, if you come here, match case concept. It is so simple to understand, not at all difficult. It is equal to something like a switch case of what? C language, C++, Java, .NET. Like that in our Python, what they took it? Match case. First of all, match case is available in which version? 3.10. 3.10 not coming in the final fixed. It is not coming in the secured aspect. It is still under the bug fixing stage. So when I say match is a keyword and case is a keyword, as on today they did not fix match is a keyword and case is a keyword. They did not fix match is a keyword and then what? Case is a keyword. See that I just take what I want to say is www dot, here you take it, www.python.org. If we come to these places, all this kind of thing. So where is it? List all the downloads. Coming to this 3.10, still it is under. Still it is, they are fixing some of the things. Now if we come to this 3.8, 3.9, etc., they are already made as secured. Like that, when this word is coming in this place, very shortly that will be, this word is also coming to this place. And 3.11 and 3.12 also released for a preview purpose. Preview means after a few days or few months, they will be coming to adding to the downloading list. So still they are under the bug fixing stage and not secured part. They are not recognizing it as a keywords at present. At present, they are not recognized as keywords. They will be taking values as it is. That's the first point I would like to bring to your notice. Let us go to once here. Here it is our command prompt. Here it is called which version I am using? Which version? Beginning only I told you which version?
3.9.
Yes. Look at my else. In the variables list only I said else is a error or not? For is equal to what? 12 is an error. Match is also keyword I am saying. But here it is not going to work as a keyword. Match is equal to 12. Accepted perfectly. Accepted perfectly. Print of what? Match, comma what? Type of what? Match. What is the match? Is a variable. Why that word is coming? Because of still it is under fixing stages only they are in. When it comes to LTS long-term support, that will be taken as keywords list, they will add it. Case also, see students, 45.67, print what? Case, case, and next is called what? Case. I will take case. See that also getting float type it is coming. So at present, match and case are not keywords. Definitely they are going to made as what? Keywords. Because according to that part only we need to go for it. Anything is under a bug fixing stage, lot of issues are going to changing in the further. Changing in the further in the sense right now match is a case. I said used to say match is a keyword, case is a keyword. Definitely after 1 or 2 months that will become what? Keywords. Right now, if I say keywords, you will ask definitely this type of doubt. Sir, you said keyword. Keywords else, it is giving error. Okay, sir, we understood. Match is a keyword and then case is a keyword you are saying, but they are accepting as a variable names. So contradiction will come. That's why any new features are coming, I used to explain in the ending stage. Examples I used to tell in the beginning only. So you tell me, if I don't write match and case or what, this point I cannot complete this. If I write keywords, if anybody read, they will get that out. If I don't write it, but what match and case is. If is a keyword, else is a keyword, if is a keyword, and then what? These are all called keywords. So match and case also we need to comment or not? Yes. So keep in mind, I hope you are understanding me. I will write what first? Syntax, I will write it. What is the syntax here? Come on. Tell me. Match. Come on. Choice expression. Choice expression. Choice expression can be what? Either int value or what? str value or char value. Not recommended to take it as a float value. Can I take float value? Not recommended. If you take float value, it is going to be what? Float value is not that much, only of 2 digits or 3 digits. Because internally a lot of precision chance will be there or not. That's why choice expression is not floats. You can take almost everything. Bool you can take, complex you can take, anything you can take. Complex is also, nobody will take complex values. Either you take int values or bool values or char values or string values you will take. Understanding? Next what? Case. Come on, mom. Label 1. Label 1. Label 1. Okay. What I will write, ma? Block of statements. Statements 1. Case label 1. Now I am writing what? 2. I am writing case label 2. I am saying 2. And so on I will say what? So on I will say what? Case label n. Statement. Statement. Fine guys. Statement n I will take it. Look at this carefully. N this is case label n and statement n. Whichever operation you like it, you can write the case label and you can do it. And next I am writing one more. If our catch choice expression is not matching with any one of the case labels, then it is coming to where? Forget already? Underscore colon. What is this now? Excellent. Default default block. Default case block. Default what block? Case block statements. Default case block statements. Okay, default case block statements. What I am writing, man, next after that, match, parallel to match, what I am writing? Other statements in the program. I am writing here what? Other statements in program. Other statements in program. So here I am breaking other statements in program I am writing. Other statements in the program I am writing. Come on, tell me how it is executing. Explanation I am giving. I will tell you so many number of examples, ma. Nothing to worry on this area. Many of them. That time I will tell you what is match and then case related words. Right now, I can't comment if they are keywords or they are classes. I can't comment because they are going to be taken as variable names. You have seen it. And now coming to the only execution behavior I can explain at this stage. What is the choice expression? Come on. The choice expression can be, yes ma'am, either what type, int, str, bool, etc. In the bracket I will write what? Except what? Float. That's it. And what also I can write it? Complex. Because internally the real part and imaginary parts by default what? Float type only. That also, of course, that is irrelevant to our requirement basically. Okay. Now tell me, if the value of which expression? Choice expression. If the value of choice expression is equal to, is what? Equal to what? Case label 1, then PVM executes corresponding block of what? Block of statements 1, and later executes what? Other statements in program. Other statements in program. See students, if the value of choice expression is equal to what? Case label 1, then PVM executes corresponding block of statements 1, and later executes other statements in program. Other statements. This process will be continued. I will write it. One more thing. If the value of choice expression 1 is not equal to case label 1, then PVM compares. I will write more. Compares choice expression. Choice expression with what? Case label 2. Case label 2. I will elaborate. And if it is, what is this? Equal, then executes corresponding block of statements 2, and later executes what? Other statement. Come on, second statement please. If the value of choice expression is not equal to case label 1, then PVM compares the value of choice expression is equal to what? Case label 2. Then PVM compares the value of choice expression with case label 2. And if it is equal, then executes corresponding block of statements and later executes what? Other statements in the program. Once again, if the value of choice expression is not equal to, then PVM compares value of choice expression with what? Case label 2. And if it is equal, then executes block of statements 2 and later executes other statements in the program. This process will be compared. This process will be continued with all case labels. All case labels. Are you getting? This process will be continued with all case labels. Default case label is there. That is a separate, I kept a meaning called what? Default case block. This is called continued with all case labels. Right? In general, look at, in general, if the value of, one line I can write it, if the value of what? Choice expression is equal to any of the specified case labels, then PVM executes corresponding block of statements, and later executes what? Other statements in program. Beautiful. Other statements in program. This process will be continued with all case labels. In general, if the value of choice expression is equal to any of the specified case labels, then PVM executes corresponding block of statements and later executes what? Last sentence I am writing. If the value of choice expression is not matching with, if the value of choice expression is not matching with any case labels, then PVM executes what? Yes, PVM executes default case block. How it is default case block? Looking like what? Case underscore colon is called what? Default case block. If the value of choice expression is not matching with any case labels, then PVM executes the block of statements, written within which one? Default case block. That's it. And later executes, already we have seen, executes what statements? Other statements in the program. This is called what? Meaning of what? Match case. Match case concept it is. And the corresponding example, many more times I am going on using this. And regarding this is a keyword or something, I will comment later after coming to the bug fixing stage is completed. Once that is coming to the statement software changes, we can't comment on that kind of area. And you have seen some examples also. And further also so many number of examples I will cover it. Okay, students. So shall we stop now? It's 9 o'clock now, 9:49, 8:49. I'll stop it. And tomorrow class I will go for what? Loops in a loops I will explain. Nested loops concept I will explain. And before that I will introduce break and continue I will explain. Break, continue I will explain. After that nested loops concept will come. Okay? Don't miss it. Please practice it. Thank you. Good day.